We are a commercial architectural woodworker, so we do a lot of performing arts centers, theaters, lobbies. We do office space, we do hospitals, large commercial projects, and generally when they're more complex, it's when we tend to bring more value. I would say we're probably much more automated than most shops that do custom architectural woodwork. We also have a very strong engineering department. One of the things that's unique to us is that we 3D model everything, and our information goes right from our model to our machines. So that interconnectivity gives us a lot of precision, and it also allows us to make very complicated things with different unique parts and pieces. Our business has become global, and we have to compete globally. So we really needed to leverage automation to really increase the amount of parts per person per hour. Our business model has really been, rather than outsourcing, but to try to find ways to innovate and automate. We have a long track record with Stiles, and they've been a partner of us for quite a while, and decades now. And working with them to be able to create a factory, a production space that's able to compete and be effective is always a great interest. You know, it was their ability to bring not just the machine, but the support of their other services, you know, the component of Schuler, their help in engineering, their ability to help us recruit, supplying the education and training for your people, and backing it up with parts and service. I think they're probably one of the most bumper to bumper, well-rounded and supported companies here in the U.S.